My name's Truce, and right now we're at the Thistle Hotel. We've been at it's third day so far of networking sort of event and course. It's just education's everywhere, the inspiration's everywhere. It's just all around you. It's just people wanting to do better. It's just sort of it's the place you want to be, really, isn't it? Like, especially to sort of, if you want to change yourself, you got to change your surroundings, change your environment, and well, just looking around, everyone here is doing what I want to do, so why wouldn't I want to be here? Do you know what I mean?
That's a great answer. So tell me a little bit why you came to this event specifically.
So when we went to the £1 crash course, I think he said it was like the last one in London. It was last month. He just sort of just expressed that educating and investing in yourself is the best investment you can do. And since like school was never for me personally, but since leaving school I've done more education on my own back because I understand that you need to learn the skills to get further in life. And if I want to be different to everyone and live a different life, I've got to go down a different avenue to everyone. So I went down the route of doing my own sort of education, own research, and and I've just come across Samuel Leeds, come across property. I knew I've always wanted to do it, and who else to learn from than someone who's a millionaire from the industry I'm trying to do.
So tell me a bit about the event itself. What are the best things about it?
Honestly, it's very overstimulated at the moment because there's so much information. There's so much information. Like, it's just non-stop learning for the whole four days. Just get it all down in your book. Just being, like I said, being around like-minded individuals who just want to grow, better themselves. Everyone's so engaged. It's just very eye-opening to see that there are people out there who want to do better with their life, especially from where I'm from. There's not many people that want to do better and want to change their surroundings. They're all just doing the same thing. So it's very, like I said, eye-opening to be around here and for just to watch people wanting to do better for themselves.
Amazing. Would you recommend the event to a friend?
Yeah, 100%. But I would only say if they're not willing to put in the work, don't bother. It's not worth it because it's a lot to take in. It could be very overwhelming. And if you're not cut out to make it, then you're not going to make it. Simple as. You just got to put in the work. You got to have that hunger to get started. You can't just dabble in it because you're not going to succeed.